Camping knives are versatile tools vital for outdoor adventures. Designed for durability and functionality, they handle tasks from food prep to campsite maintenance. With features like sturdy blades, ergonomic handles, and multifunction capabilities, these knives are indispensable for campers and hikers. Whether you're cutting rope or preparing a meal, a reliable camping knife enhances your outdoor experience. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Schrade SCHF59 Full Tang Fixed Blade Bushcraft Survival Knife is a robust and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Crafted from durable 65 and high carbon steel, this knife boasts excellent edge retention and toughness, making it reliable for heavy-duty tasks in challenging environments. Its full tang construction ensures strength and stability, while the textured TPE handle provides a secure grip even in wet conditions. The SCH59 features a drop-point blade with a fine edge for precise cutting and carving, complemented by a finger choil for added control. With a rugged nylon belt sheath included for convenient carrying, this knife is well suited for bushcraft, survival situations, and everyday outdoor use, offering durability, functionality, and dependability when you need it most. Number 9. Morakniv Companion Fixed Blade Knife is a versatile and reliable tool ideal for outdoor activities, bushcraft, and everyday tasks. Crafted from high-quality Swedish stainless steel, the blade offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance in various conditions. Its ergonomic handle, made from patterned hide friction rubber, provides a secure grip even when wet or cold, enhancing safety and comfort during use. The companion features a Scandinavian grind, making it easy to sharpen and maintain for precise cutting, carving, and feathering. Lightweight and compact, it's convenient to carry with the included plastic sheath featuring a belt clip. Whether for camping, hiking, or survival situations, the Morakniv Companion is a trusted companion known for its durability, functionality, and affordability, making it a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 8. Gerber Strongarm Serrated Edge Fixed Blade is a rugged and versatile knife designed for tactical and outdoor use. Made from 420 HC stainless steel, the blade offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, ensuring durability in demanding environments. Its full tang construction provides strength and stability, while the rubberized diamond-textured grip offers a secure and comfortable hold in all conditions. The Strongarm features a partially serrated edge, ideal for cutting through tough materials such as rope and webbing. It includes a modular sheath system for easy attachment to belts or MOLL gear, enhancing accessibility during missions or outdoor activities. Whether used for survival situations, hunting, or everyday utility tasks, the Gerber Strongarm is a trusted companion known for its robust build, functionality, and ergonomic design, making it a preferred choice among professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 7. Benchmade Bugout Folding Knife is a lightweight and dependable choice for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Crafted with premium materials, including a CPM S30V stainless steel blade, this knife offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability. Its slim profile and AXIS lock mechanism ensure smooth one-handed operation and secure blade deployment, while the textured grivery handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. The Bugout features a versatile drop-point blade with a thin profile, making it ideal for slicing tasks and intricate cutting jobs. With a reversible pocket clip and optional lanyard hole, it offers multiple carrying options for convenience. Number 6. Gerber Gear Freescape Camp Kitchen Knife is a versatile and practical tool designed for outdoor cooking and camping adventures. Featuring a full tang construction with a 3.8-inch fine edge blade, this knife offers durability and precision for slicing, chopping, and food preparation tasks. Its ergonomic rubberized handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet conditions, enhancing safety during use. The Freescape Camp Kitchen Knife includes a sheath that doubles as a cutting board, adding convenience to outdoor meal preparation. With its lightweight design and compact size, it's easy to carry in a backpack or camping gear. Number 5. Spyderco Delica 4 Lightweight Folding Knife is a highly regarded choice among knife enthusiasts for its blend of lightweight design, cutting performance, and ergonomic comfort. Constructed with a VG10 stainless steel blade, renowned for its edge retention and corrosion resistance, the Delica 4 excels in everyday cutting tasks and outdoor use. Its signature Spyderco round hole allows for smooth, ambidextrous one-handed opening, complemented by a sturdy lockback mechanism for secure blade deployment. The fiberglass-reinforced nylon FRN handle provides a secure grip and is available in various colors. With a slim profile and reversible pocket clip, the Delica 4 offers convenient and discreet carry options. Whether for EDC, everyday carry, camping, or general utility, the Spyderco Delica 4 is celebrated for its reliability, functionality, and enduring popularity among knife enthusiasts worldwide. Number 4. CIVIVI Fixed Blade Elementum Knife is a robust and compact tool designed for versatile outdoor and everyday use. Featuring a full Tang D2 tool steel blade, known for its excellent edge retention and durability, the Elementum excels in cutting, carving, and other utility tasks. Its ergonomic handle is crafted from textured G10 scales, providing a comfortable and secure grip in all conditions. The blade's drop-point design enhances precision and ease of sharpening, making it ideal for various outdoor activities and survival situations. The Elementum includes a durable Kydex sheath with a versatile belt clip for convenient carry options. Whether used for camping, hiking, or as a reliable EDC tool, the CIVIVI Fixed Blade Elementum combines practical functionality with a sleek design, catering to both enthusiasts and professionals seeking dependable performance in a compact package. Number 3. Gerber Spine is a revolutionary baby carrier designed for parents who value comfort, flexibility, and style. Made from durable and breathable materials, this ergonomic carrier features a sturdy spine support and padded shoulder straps for optimal weight distribution. With multiple carrying positions, including front, back, and hip options, the Gerber Spine adapts to your baby's growth and your personal preference. Its sleek design and adjustable straps make it suitable for parents of all shapes and sizes, while the built-in storage pocket keeps essentials within reach. Whether running errands or hiking trails, the Gerber Spine keeps your baby snug and secure, allowing you to explore the world with confidence and freedom. Number 2. Morakniv Bushcraft Black is a rugged and reliable companion designed for wilderness survival and bushcrafting enthusiasts. Featuring a 4.3-inch high-carbon steel blade with a black DLC coating, it offers exceptional sharpness and corrosion resistance, ideal for cutting, carving, and feathering tasks in challenging environments. Its ergonomic rubber handle provides a secure grip even in wet conditions, ensuring comfort and control during extended use. The spine of the blade is ground specifically for use with a fire starter, making it easier to ignite fires in outdoor settings. Lightweight and versatile, the Morakniv Bushcraft Black includes a durable plastic sheath with a belt loop for convenient carry, making it an essential tool for anyone seeking durability, functionality, and performance in outdoor adventures and survival situations. Number 1. CRKT TSR Terzuola Knife combines tactical functionality with elegant design, reflecting the craftsmanship of renowned knife maker Bob Terzuola. Featuring a 3.875-inch premium CTS BD1 stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional edge retention and strength for various cutting tasks. The blade deploys swiftly with ambidextrous thumb studs, complemented by a sturdy liner lock mechanism for secure blade engagement during use. Its G10 handle scales provide a comfortable and ergonomic grip, enhancing control and handling in challenging conditions. Designed for tactical use, the TSR Terzuola knife includes a reversible pocket clip for versatile carry options, ensuring accessibility and readiness in everyday carry or outdoor adventures. With its balanced blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal, this knife is a reliable choice for enthusiasts seeking performance and style in a compact, everyday carry package.